Sky have always been one of those organizations that seem to be spearheading the development and adoption of high tech. We saw that with HD and then 4K. And they've been pretty much on the ball until, unfortunately, it came to HDR. And there's always been these promises that it's coming and coming, and then it doesn't. And according to a recent blog post on their official forum, blog, whatever you want to call it, it ain't coming anytime soon either. According to the blog post, or the post on the forum, it's unlikely to be seen in the UK this side of Christmas, possibly 2021, which is incredibly remiss of Sky, considering that we saw them, they were one of the first real true early adopters of HD, and then 4K. And then you would then assume that they would be pretty much on the ball very soon after that with 4K, with HDR rather. And we've really not seen that. And the only excuse they've given is that they've got, and I'm paraphrasing here, but sort of other priorities. And you would think, well, come on, HDR is one of the, to me, it's in line with 4K. In terms of being a fundamental aspect to the enjoyment of a movie, and HDR rather is something that really brings something more to the experience of watching a movie, whether that be in HD or 4K. So for them to actually not push resources or concentrate on the development and the inclusion of that within their 4K streams is somewhat odd. So, given that Netflix have done it, Amazon have done it, and pretty much everyone else seems to be doing it, I'm not too sure why Sky are going to be so late to the party. What are your thoughts? Do you still use Sky? I must admit I don't anymore. I unsubscribed and cancelled my subscription to Sky a good while ago because it was just so expensive for, I'd say, very little. It's still an amazing and great platform, probably the best platform for it, but the cost to, the cost of all that is just too much to bear when you consider sort of Netflix, Amazon, and all the other stuff that I tend to use anyway. What are your thoughts? Do you still use Sky? Are you bothered by the sort of lack of HDR adoption? Do you use the old 4K streams at all, or over the air, Sky, satellite stuff? You know what I'm talking about. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. That always helps my channel. If you want to see more videos, then please consider subscribing, and don't forget to click the bell button. And also excuse the neighbour's dog because it's a complete pain in the arse. Thanks again, and I'll see you again very soon. Take care. Fucking dog. Unbelievable.